Did you know your Android phone can do more than just make calls and send messages? Whether you're 65 or 85, a few simple tips can make your phone easier, faster, and more enjoyable to use. In this video, we'll show you 5 Android phone tricks that every senior should know. No tech skills needed. Let's make your smartphone smarter. Tip number 1. Make the text bigger. If you're struggling to read small words on your phone, don't worry. You can easily adjust the font size. Go to Settings, then Display, and tap Font Size. Slide the bar to increase the size. You can also go to Display Size to make buttons and icons larger too. Now reading messages, contacts, and menus will be much easier. Tip number 2. Use voice commands. You don't have to type everything. Just say, "Hey Google," and speak your request. You can call someone, set a reminder, ask for directions, or even check the weather. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. No typing needed. Tip number 3. Set up emergency SOS. Your phone can contact your family in an emergency with just a few taps. Go to Settings, then Safety and Emergency, and tap Emergency SOS. You can add emergency contacts and set it to send them your location automatically. This one feature could save your life someday. Tip number 4. Simplify your home screen. Some Android phones come with a simple mode, but you can also install a simple launcher from the Play Store. It gives you big icons, clear labels, and only the apps you really use, like phone, camera, and photos. Less clutter, less confusion. Tip number 5. Block spam calls. No one likes annoying robocalls or scams. Go to your phone app, tap Settings, then Caller ID and Spam. Turn on Filter spam calls. Now your phone will block suspicious calls automatically. Simple and safe. Your phone is full of helpful tools, and you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. These 5 tips will help you feel more confident, secure, and in control of your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more simple tech tips just for seniors, and share this with someone who could use it.